Looking for the perfect nature escape during your Turkey trip? Let me take you to the serene Manavgat Waterfall. Just minutes from Manavgat town, this stunning waterfall isn't about height. It's all about the powerful, wide cascade of the Manavgat River. The sound of rushing water and lush greenery create a peaceful oasis you'll never forget. Relax by the riverside, enjoy a meal at nearby cafes, or snap the perfect photo from the viewing platforms. It's a quick stop that leaves a lasting impression. Manavgat Waterfall is nature's gift to Antalya. Will you visit this tranquil gem?